Okay, so welcome to Quick Calculus, and in this video, we have another example for the form ng 0 times infinity. Okay, so let's try to evaluate the limit. So this will become infinity as limit of x approaches positive infinity, and then ito magiging ln ng 1 plus 3 over infinity. Tama? And alam natin na anything over infinity will approach 0. No? So this will become ln of 1, which is approaching 0. So we have here infinity times 0. No? So we can apply L'Hopital's rule form ng 0 times infinity. Okay? So, ngayon, mamimili tayo. Ano yung gusto natin na ilagay sa denominator na function? Tama? So, sabi natin, yung ganitong fx times gx, gagawin natin fx over 1 over g of x. Tama? So, pwede naman natin ilagay yung ln sa denominator, pero the thing is, magiging mas komplikado siya. Okay? So, yung tip natin dito is, put the complex function sa numerator, in the numerator. Kasi, kapag magte-take tayo ng derivative ng 1 over something, di ba? So, for example, ginawa natin to na x over 1 over ln ng 1 plus 3 over x, no? As limit x approaches infinity. Tama? So, valid to. Okay? Valid, but difficult. Okay? So, kailangan mo kunin yung derivative ng 1 over ln ng 1 plus 3 over x. Tama? So, ang mas magandang magiging approach nito would be, gawin natin is limit as x approaches infinity ng ln ng 1 plus 3 over x all over 1 over x. Okay? So, alam natin agad yung derivative ng ln and derivative ng 1 over x. Okay? So, now, let's do this. No? So, apply L'Hopital's rule. So, limit as x approaches positive infinity. So, derivative ng ln ng 1 plus 3 over x is 1 over 1 plus 3 over x times derivative ng nasa loob. So, that is negative 3 over x squared. Tama? And then, yung denominator, derivative ng 1 over x is negative 1 over x squared. Okay? So, ngayon, anong meron na tayo? Diba? So, let us try to simplify. So, yung x squared dito, magka-cancel. Yung negative, magka-cancel din. So, we are now left with limit as x approaches positive infinity ng 1 over 1 plus 3 over x times 3. Okay? So, evaluate the limit. So, evaluate limit. So, ano mangyayari? We have here 1 over 1 plus 3 over infinity times 3. And sabi natin, anything over infinity, so this is approaching 0. So we have here 1 over 1 times 3 or just equal to 3. Okay, so yung limit natin ng x ln 1 plus 3 over x as x approaches infinity is just equal to 3. So we just applied L'Hopital's rule here. And again, the tip here is that yung ilalagay natin sa numerator is yung mas simple na kuhanan ng derivative or yung complex na function. Okay? Kasi kapag linagay natin sa denominator, then mahihirapan tayo kunin yung derivative. Okay? So see you in the next videos.